How to adjust video levels using Waveform monitor in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and select the clip you want to correct. Make sure it's placed on the timeline and ready for editing. Next, go to the View menu, then hover over Scopes and from the drop-down list, enable Waveform Monitor. This will open a visual display of your clip's luminance levels, helping you accurately monitor exposure and contrast. In the Waveform panel, you will see a paint mode option with a drop-down that lets you choose between yellow, white, and green. This changes the color of the waveform lines for better visibility depending on your preference. Use the waveform to analyze your video's brightness values. The bottom of the graph represents shadows and the top represents highlights. If your waveform is too high or too low, you may need to adjust the levels. To make corrections, go to the Effects panel and add effects like Lift, Gamma, Gain, Contrast or Brightness. Apply them to your clip and monitor the waveform as you adjust each setting. Adjust Lift to control shadows, Gamma for midtones and Gain for highlights. Watch how the waveform shifts as you make changes, ensuring your values stay within the safe range from 0 to 100. Now you know how to adjust video levels using Waveform Monitor in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.